Hi students. Statistics question number 14 from the worksheet. An incomplete distribution is given below and the median value is given as 46 and total number of items is 230. So incomplete distribution la pathina x is unknown and y is unknown. That is why they call it as an incomplete distribution. So question enna, using this median formula you have to find up the missing frequencies. So missing frequencies is x and y. Either anything kandupidikkanum using median as 46 and the total number of items which is 230. So median appdin paathale which column we should have to put across? Cumulative frequency. So cumulative frequency potuttu adula you will get one equation. Adhe madri from median formula you get another equation in terms of x and y. Rendu equation you solve panna will get the answer. So paranga cumulative frequency 12 plus 30 aduthathu 42 plus x 42 plus x ne eludren and then 42 plus x plus 65 comes out to be 107 plus x. Likewise adutha 3 term vandrum ena y um சேர்ந்து add up ஆயிடும். So finally you get the total cumulative frequency to be 150 plus x plus y and you know that this is equal to 230. அதனால இதையும் relate பண்ணோம்னா I can say x plus y plus 150 is equal to 230 or x plus y is equal to 230 minus 150 which is 80. So one equation I have got it from here from the cumulative frequencies. Either x plus y is equal to 18 in the equation. Then there is another equation which we can frame from the median formula. Median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus Cf whole divided by f whole multiplied by h. So in the particular formula la L, n, Cf, f idella n we have to identify. Question la they have given median value as 46. So obviously 46 endha category kulla varudhu 40 to 50 category kulla. So median class eduma? It is 40 to 50. So 40 to 50 is median class na appa adula lower limit edu L40 nu eduthukom. L is 40 and corresponding to the median class irukra frequency is f and adukku previous cumulative frequency is Cf. In the values ellathiyum I am substituting in the formula along with the median value to be 46. Idu substitute pannona upon solving we get x oda value as 34. And this value of x, if I substitute over here in this equation number 1, I get the answer for y as 46. So 34 and 46 are the values of x and y respectively. So first part of the question ka answer kandupidichachu. Median vachu I have found out the missing frequencies. What is the second part of the question? Calculate the arithmetic mean of the completed distribution. Arithmetic mean, how is that you can calculate? So from the given table x and y values are corresponding substitute pannita and then mean kandupidikira methodology we have to go about with. So it's the same tabulation. Ana adula x irukka vendiya edathila 34 and y irukka vendiya edathila 46 fill pannirkom and sigma fi is 230 as given in that question. Ipa adula class mark enna kandupidikkanum ui fi ui sigma fi ui kandupidichittu then u bar enna we have identified. U bar use panni x bar enna adutha we are going to find out, wherein you get u bar as 20 by 230, h difference is 20 minus 10 which is 10, so h is 10 and 45 is a which I have chosen from my class mark. So in the value substitute pannona you get x bar to be what? 45.8695 units. You can pause the video and check out for the final answer. Question number 15 is quite interesting. Find the missing frequencies and the median for the following distribution. So missing frequencies kandupidikka sollirukanga and they have asked you to find the median as well. And they have given mean is 1.46. Some of us might mistake that median ra vaathe paadona median is 1.46 nu consider pannittu poda aarambipom which will come out to be wrong. Question la mean koduthirukanga. So mean koduthirukanga na how is that you should proceed doing? Mean kana formula போட்டு adala 1.46 is equal to அப்படிን கொண்டு வந்தோம்னா then x and y terms la you will get one variable, one equation. அதே மாதிரி sum total is 200 கொடுத்திருக்காங்க இல்லையா, so adding up everything it is equal to 200 னு போட்டோம்னா x plus y in terms of a numerical you will get one equation here. So frequency oda sum total வச்சு ஒரு equation and sigma fi xi கண்டுபிடிச்சு அதல யூஸ் பண்ணி mean kana formula வச்சு another equation. In the ரெண்டு equation you sort out panna you can get x and y two unknowns. So the method is simple, it's here. பாருங்க number of accidents கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, class interval எல்லாம் கிடையாது. So xi straight away it has been given to us. and frequency is Fi. So நம்ம xi fi direct method you can work it out. So இப்படி போடும்போது இங்க you will get two variables இருக்கிற one equation by sum of all the frequencies and equating into 200. So this is my equation number 1. Again, sigma fi xi என்னன்னு கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டு then using mean formula அதில substitute பண்ணோம்னா you will get another equation in terms of x and y. இந்த ரெண்டு equationையும் solve பண்ணோம்னா by using linear equation in two variables method இந்த method வேணா யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கோ solve பண்ணீங்கன்னா you will get the answer for x and y to be 76 and 38. And in the question இது மட்டும் இல்லாம they have asked you to find the median as well. So median க்கு என்ன பண்றோம் x and y என்ன identify பண்ணோமோ அத frequency columnல I have put it. அடுத்தது cumulative frequency என்னன்னு பார்க்கணும் in order to find the median. And you know the sum total is 200, so n by 2 is 100. So 100th day அந்த category பார்க்கணும். So 46th day வரைக்கும் number of accidents is 0. அப்ப 47th day to 122nd day பார்த்தீங்கன்னா the number of accidents is 1 in number. So 100th day comes in the category of 1 accident. So 47th to 122nd day வந்து இந்த categoryல வரதுனால number of accidents is equal to 1 on the 100th day and we can take it up. Therefore straight away I can write the median is 1. Because it does not have any class interval or anything, straight away உங்களுக்கு வேல்யூவே கொடுத்துட்டதுனால there is no requirement for you to apply any formula specially here. நம்ம 9th standardல பார்த்தா அந்த formula தான். இந்த categoryல you have got it. So answer is median is 1 for this problem.